Hello everyone. Let's start our second topic of the day, which is different values. What does the word different indicates? Maybe you say not similar or unlike each other. In finger maths, different values are those values that has different number of tens and different units, unlike similar values. Let's look at few examples. First example is of cupcake. How many tens and units are there? The picture shows we have 1 ten and 6 units of cupcakes. 1 ten and 6 units make its value 16. So we have 16 cupcakes. Let's take another example of pens. In this picture, we have 4 groups of pens and we also have 5 single pens. Means 4 tens and 5 units. This makes its value 45. So, when we are calculating different values, we open and close fingers according to tens and units they have. Let's start practicing finger values for different values. Let's see what is the first number we have. First number we have is 13. In 13, we have 1 ten and 3 units. So we will open 1 finger on left hand and 3 fingers on right hand. Next number is 24. In 24, we have 2 tens and 4 units. So how we will place 24 on our fingers? We will open 2 fingers on left hand and 4 fingers on our right hand. Next value we have 53. In 53, we have 5 tens and 3 units. To place 53 on our hands, we will open thumb on left hand, which has the value 50, and we will open 3 fingers on right hand. Next value is 64. To place 64 on our fingers, we will open thumb and 1 finger on left hand, which represents the value 60, and for 4, we will open 4 fingers on right hand. That makes it 64. We will practice few more values. Next value is 41. In 41, we have 4 tens and 1 unit. So we will open 4 fingers on left hand and 1 finger on right hand. Next value is 37. In 37, we have 3 tens and 7 units. We will open 3 fingers on left hand to represent the value 30, and for 7, we will open thumb and 2 fingers on right hand. Next value we have is 75. In 75, we have 7 tens and 5 units. For 70 on left hand, we will open thumb and 2 fingers, and for 5, we will open thumb on right hand. Next value we have 86. To place 86 on our fingers, we will open thumb and 3 fingers on left hand to represent the value 80, and for 6, we will open thumb and 1 finger on right hand. After practicing finger values, let's see how can we add different values on our fingers. If we want to add 23 and 51 together, how we will do that? Let's see. First, we will place 23 on our hands. To place 23, we will open 2 fingers on left hand and 3 fingers on right hand. Now, as we are adding, so we will open more fingers for 51. To place 51, we will open thumb on left hand, as thumb on left hand represents the value 50, and we will open 1 more finger on right hand. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on left hand and 4 fingers on right hand. Thumb and 2 fingers on left hand represents the value 70, and 4 fingers on right hand represents the value 4. So our answer would be 74. Let's take another example for addition. If we want to add 13 and 61, first we will place 13 on our hands. To place 13, we will open one finger on left hand and 3 fingers on right hand. As in 13, we have 1 10 and 3 units. Now we will place 61 on our hands. To place 61, we will open thumb and one finger on left hand and one more finger on right hand. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on left hand and 4 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 70 on left hand and 4 on right hand. So our answer would be 74. Let's see how to subtract different values while using finger maths. Let's take an example. If we want to subtract 21 from 78, how we will do that? First, we will place 78 on our hands. How can we place 78 on our hands? We will open thumb and 2 fingers on left hand and thumb and 3 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 78. As we are subtracting means closing of fingers. To subtract 21, we know 2 fingers on left hand represents the value 20 and 1 finger on right hand represents the value 21. So we will close 2 fingers from left hand and 1 finger from right hand. As a result, we get thumb on left hand and thumb and 2 fingers on right hand. Thumb on left hand represents the value 50 and thumb and 2 fingers on right hand represents the value 7. So our answer would be 57. Now we will practice few questions of addition and subtraction for different values. But before starting, keep few things in your mind. Always make 0 before starting a new question. When we are adding, we open fingers from pointer, and when we are subtracting, we close fingers from small finger side. Make a punch on both hands and keep your hands on any flat surface. Let's look at first question. 21. First, we will place 21 on our hands. We will open 2 fingers on left hand and 1 on right hand. Plus 13. To add 13, we will open 1 finger on left hand and 3 fingers on right hand. Plus 15. 1 finger on left hand and thumb on right hand. Minus 32. To subtract 32, we will close 3 fingers from left hand and 2 fingers from right hand. Plus 51. To add 51, we will open thumb on left hand and 1 finger on right hand. As a result, we get 68. Thumb and 1 finger on left hand and thumb and 3 fingers on right hand. Make 0 and let's look at second example. Second question is 45. We will open 4 fingers on left hand and thumb on right hand. Plus 52. To add 52, we will open thumb on left hand and 2 fingers on right hand. Minus 71. To subtract 71, we will close thumb and 2 fingers on left hand and 1 finger from right hand. Plus 23. We will open 2 fingers on left hand and 3 fingers on right hand. Minus 47. We will close 4 fingers from left hand and thumb and 2 fingers from right hand. As a result, we get only 2 fingers on right hand. Make 0 and let's move to next question. 86 minus 35 plus 16 plus 32 minus 71. Our answer is 28. Make 0. 95 minus 45 plus 21 plus 17 minus 62. Answer is 26. Next question. 42 plus 56 minus 73 plus 14 minus 27. Answer 12. We will practice few more questions for different values, but Now we will also work on our speed. Ready? Make punch and place your hands on any flat surface. Let's start. 26 plus 62 minus 37 plus 41 minus 72. Answer 20. Make 0. 43 plus 56 minus 79 plus 21 minus 41. Answer 0. Next question. 94 minus 63 plus 17 minus 42 plus 61. Answer is 67. Let's look at another example. 31 plus 57 minus 63 plus 24 minus 36. Answer 13. Let's practice last question. 62 plus 36 minus 43 plus 24 minus 17. Answer 62. I am hopeful that the topic of different values is clear to everyone. Keep practicing for better speed. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching the video.